Cold?
Do you need a push?
No, I don't need a push. I'm okay.
What's happening? Great. Yeah, baby. Hang on, I'm going to generator. Spark plug is worn out. It didn't work, so I had to put the start plug in. So I thought I better put new oil. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. We're at Townsville region now. We're at Little Crystal. We'll show you this. Big crystal, rolling stones, some beautiful waterfalls exploring. So in the Townsville region, they're all pretty nice, and we'll run through all these now and take you with us. It's pretty good. Pretty nice old road up there that goes over it. Good little hole. Pretty good spot. Kids won't get in, but it's too cold, I reckon.
Well, we are in the middle of winter.
Yeah, the water's cold. Looks good, but.
Oh, no one's going to get in.
Get in. Cold?
Do you need a push? It's pretty cold.
No, I don't need a push. I'm okay.
Just a nudge. Give her a little push.
Okay.
Careful, mate. Go steady. How is it, darling?
Can I touch the spiky bushes? Happy.
We tell Colin not to rub his hands on the grass. What's he do? He goes, oh, I'm going to rub my hand on the grass anyway and cut my grass. Then what do we say? We say, Colin, don't wipe the blood on your shirt. Please don't wipe the blood on your shirt. Oh, I'm just going to wipe the blood on my shirt.
I cut it on the spiky tree.
Which we're also told not to touch.
Come on, be careful. Doing lunch? Shay made a beautiful packed lunch, didn't you, darling?
Yes.
That makes me lunch. How's the lunch, kids?
Beautiful. Maybe. This is my green one right here.
No, I got the last green one.
What?
Our kids fight for the spinach ones. We're out of spinach wraps.
I got it by luck.
We got the last two by luck.
Not you. You
That's it now, little crystal. Now where are we going? We're going to big crystal now, aren't we? We're going to go have lunch and then go off to big crystal.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. Remember.
What have we got over here, Colin?
Bush turkey.
What are they?
Bush turkeys. Not good eating. Aboriginals used to eat them, but don't taste as well. I know that for a fact. Learned it from school. Ooh, they have creek here.
We're at big crystal now. Take you down to big crystal. This one looks a lot better than the last one. This one looks done.
Go, Coco.
Wish we could block. I won!
Come on, move along. Say it, baby. I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. I said, babe. I said, babe.
Just look down
Oh,
there.
honey.
See? You see them right over there.
Come and groove along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta.
Where are we?
Rolling Stone at the waterfall.
Yeah, we're at Rolling Stone. There's a nice little free camp here. Beautiful spot. You can stay up 2 nights. So we just coming in, booked in today, 2 nights. Got these waterfalls, this river just down the bottom of it. I'll show you this. This is awesome.
What's happening?
Reese, he's our baby.
I made it.
Yeah, thanks to your chauffeur, Mr. Ferguson.
Darling. I'll go at this spot.
There's so much algae in the water.
There they are, having a swim.
You got her swim now? Is Mama going in the water?
A little bit cold for me. What about you, Reese?
Can't.
Oh, Reese is the bandage bear. He's been attacked by midges while he was out fishing, so he can't go near the water.
How you going?
Good.
Changing the oil. We carry a generator. Because when it's overcast and rains, we don't get enough charge, and our kids on their laptops flat out. Laptops, devices and all that for school, so we carry a generator. Charge the batteries when needed. Just doing a service on it now. Made this little thing. Catch the oil. There we go. Yeah, she's due for us. She's pretty due for us.
Bit black.
Just a little. Generators don't have a drain plug. You literally just stick it out. You don't want to see that. As you can tell, I keep my generator well serviced. I think last time think last time we serviced the generator, the spark plug had worn out and it wouldn't work, so I had to put a new spark plug in. So I thought I better put new oil in it. And that was about 5 years ago, but she still ticks along. I am a fitter. I just, like most people, I guess, if you do your job, you don't want to do it when you're home. I knew that would be the case.
Does it fit? Improvising.
Improvisation. There we go. Right there. And we pour some oil in. Don't think it takes much. So it takes about 200 ml. What's that
You
about?
just fill it up till it starts coming out.
Yeah. You just, that's what you do. Once that hole's full, you know it's full. I don't know about that. All done. Put the cap back on. I reckon she's good for another 5 years. Had to service it every 50 hours. Done.
Start her up, see if she still runs.
See if it sounds better.
Sounds happy.
I'm digging. Alright, I want to show you the free camps. Free camps are really good, eh? Not many people talk about the free camps. We've been here a week, bouncing between them, you only stay 48 hours. Have a look at this, they're smith. That's it there. Everyone's got their own water, 2 spots, whole way along, nice grass paddocks. They're definitely worth staying. Not many people, we've been in Townsville region a week now. You only stay 48 hours at each one, just bounce between each. And they're better than the caravan parks. Caravan parks aren't even as good as these free camps. They're definitely worth checking out. We've all got brand new parks. Look at the there's a river down there. They're really good. I reckon they're better than caravan parks here. You got water, they've got everything. As long as you've got plenty of solar. Yeah, it's pretty friendly because there's so many people. And if you go in town, like the neighbours said to us, oh, we're going in town for the day, you're going to be around? Yeah, we're here, we'll watch your van. Same thing sort of thing, because there's so many people, everyone sort of watches out and you don't have to worry about your stuff when you go. You're not stressing about your van or anything left there. Everyone sort of watches everything. It's pretty good. Everyone we've met at them so far are really friendly. If you're not in by 10 o'clock, you won't get a spot. Make sure you're in by 10, 11. They empty out by 10, there's no one in there. And by about 3 in the afternoon, you won't get in there. You'll be going off to the next one, and the next one. We even stayed at Rolling Stone, which is a really big one. It holds about 50 vans, and that was full by dark every day. There's plenty of vans on the road. Make sure you get in early if you want a free camp. You can only stay 48 hours. You get 48 hours and you've got to move to another one or move on, which is good. Makes it fair. Everyone does the right thing. It makes it a really good system.
Off to Tamula Beach.
Yep, small beach now. 15 minutes up the road. We'll get another one.